Hello guys, in this video let us discuss one more topic, that is new topic, multiplication by s. Okay, so let us see the statement first. If Laplace inverse of f bar of s value is f of t and this f of t value is 0 when t value is 0, if it is satisfies this condition, then Laplace inverse of s into f bar of s, that is multiplication by s. Okay, the Laplace inverse of s into f bar of s is f dash of t. So f dash of t is nothing but differentiation of this f of t. Okay, if you know f bar of s value, Laplace inverse of f bar of s value we have to consider as f of t, then s into f bar of s value will be differentiation of this f of t. Okay, so based upon this statement, let us see one problem here. Laplace inverse of s by s plus 2 whole square. If you observe carefully here, in the numerator we have s, so that is nothing but we can write this is as s into 1 by s plus 2 whole square, right? So that is in the form of Laplace inverse of s into f bar of s form. So we have to use multiplication by s method. Okay, to find this Laplace inverse of s into f bar of s, first we need to find Laplace inverse of f bar of s, right? So what is f bar of s value here? So f bar of s value is 1 by s plus 2 whole square. Okay, so let us find Laplace inverse of f bar of s. Apply Laplace inverse. Laplace inverse of f bar of s equals to Laplace inverse of 1 by s plus 2 whole square. Here Laplace inverse of 1 by s plus 2 whole square. Use first shifting property here. We have s plus a. So to replace s plus a with s, we have to write e power of minus at outside, right? So write e power of minus t outside. Then Laplace inverse of 1 by s square. Okay, then Laplace inverse of 1 by s square. How to find? Write that s square as 1 by s to the power of 1 plus 1. Then use Laplace inverse of 1 by s to the power of n plus 1 formula, that is t to the power of n by n factorial formula. Okay, so let us use this formula here. E power of minus 2t into, so by using formula e power of minus 2t s to the power of n plus 1, here in place of n we have 1, so you will get t to the power of 1 by 1 factorial, that is e power of minus 2t into t, that is Laplace inverse of f bar of s value. Laplace inverse of f bar of s value we got, so we have to consider it as f of t. So consider this value as f of t. Okay, next we need to calculate this value. Okay, that is Laplace inverse of s into 1 by s plus 2 whole square. Okay, which is in the form of Laplace inverse of s into f bar of s. This value is f bar of s, so s into f bar of s. Then what is Laplace inverse of s into f bar of s? F dash of t. F dash of t. So f dash of t is nothing but differentiation of f of t, that is d by dt of f of t. So what is f of t? Write f of t value here. What is f of t? We got t into e power of minus 2t. Okay, so differentiation of t into e power of minus 2t by using uv formula. Let us use uv formula. First u into d by dt of e power of minus 2t plus v into e power of minus 2t into d by dt of t. Okay, then t into differentiation of e power of minus 2t, e power of minus 2t into t coefficient minus 2 plus e power of minus 2t into d by dt of t is 1. Therefore you will get minus 2t into e power of minus 2t plus e power of minus 2t, that is which value? Laplace inverse of s by s plus 2 whole square value. Okay, so that is the procedure to find Laplace inverse of s by s plus 2 whole square by using multiplication by s formula. Okay, by using this method, multiplication by s method. And we can solve this problem by using another method also. By using first shifting property we can solve this problem. How? See here, we have numerator, in the numerator we have s, in the denominator we have s plus 2. Okay, so write numerator as s plus 2, add and subtract s plus 2 minus 2, then divide numerator by the denominator, then use first shifting property, then apply Laplace inverse. So we can use first shifting property for this problem, and we can solve this by using multiplication by s also. So it is up to you which method we have to use. Okay, let us see second problem here. Evaluate Laplace inverse of s by s minus 1 all to the power of 4. Okay, so solve this problem similar to previous one. Okay, right, if he mentioned the method, we have to use that method, otherwise you can use any one of the method. Okay, now we are doing this method, that is multiplication by s. So solve it by using multiplication by s method. So this will be the answer. Let us see third problem here. Evaluate Laplace inverse of s square by s square plus a square whole square. So we have to solve this problem. Okay, directly we cannot apply Laplace inverse for s square by s square plus a square whole square. Okay, now write here s square as s into s by s square plus a square. Here now it is in the form of s into f bar of s, that is multiplication by s. Okay, s into f bar of s is nothing but what you will get, f dash of t, right? That means we have to differentiate the function, that is nothing but d by dt. Okay, so right, if you take out this s, you can write it as d by dt. Okay, so d by dt of Laplace inverse of s by s square plus a square whole square. Again write this s as s into 1 by s square plus a square whole square. Again s into a bar of s formula. Okay, again multiplication by t, so that is multiplication by s. That means again d by dt. If you write this s outside, you can write it as d by dt. Again d by dt of Laplace inverse of 1 by s square plus a square whole square. Again we cannot find Laplace inverse for this function also. Okay, but we can find 1 by s square plus a square value, right? So consider f bar of s value as 1 by s square plus a square. Okay, but we have to find this value, right? 1 by s square plus a square whole square. We have to calculate s square by s square plus a square whole square value. Okay, so let us differentiate this value, f dash bar of s. Okay, f dash is nothing but differentiation of f bar of s. So d by ds of 1 by, okay, so d by ds of this function, use u by v formula, v into d by ds of u minus u into d by ds of v by v square. Okay, so you will get f dash bar of s is equal to minus 2s by s square plus a square. We can find Laplace inverse for this function, so apply Laplace inverse, write this minus 2 outside. Laplace inverse of s by s square plus a square whole square, considered as equation number 1. Okay, then by using this formula we know that Laplace inverse of f dash f to the power of n bar of s is equals to minus 1 to the power of n t to the power of n into f of t. Now let us substitute n equal to 1 here. If we substitute n equal to 1, what you will get? Laplace inverse of f dash bar of s equals to minus 1 t power of 1 into f of t. Then consider as it as equation number 2. Then equation number 1 equal to equation number 2. On the LHS of first equation, substitute this value, minus t into f of t equal to minus 2 into Laplace inverse of s by s square plus a square whole square. Okay, then f of t is nothing but what? Laplace inverse of f bar of s. Okay, then here f bar of s is what? 1 by s square plus a square, because already we have considered at the starting f bar of s as 1 by s square plus a square. So substitute f bar of s value here. Okay, then Laplace inverse of 1 by s square plus a square, we have direct formula, that is 1 by a sin a t. Okay, then Laplace inverse of s by s square plus a square value will be, take this 2 to LHS, it becomes t by 2a sin a t. That is Laplace inverse of s by s square plus a square, right? But we have to find s square value, right? S square by s square plus a square value. Okay, so Laplace inverse of s by s square plus a square whole square value is what? T by 2a sin a t. Okay, now we have to calculate Laplace inverse of s square by s square plus a square whole square, right? So write this s square as s into s by s square plus a square whole square. Okay, then it becomes s into f bar of s. So s into f bar of s, multiplication by s formula. If we write this s outside, we can write it as d by dt of Laplace inverse of s by s square plus a square whole square. Already we know that Laplace inverse of s by s square plus a square whole square value, right? What is that? T by 2a sin a t. So substitute this value here, t by 2a sin a t. Differentiation of this function, 2a is a constant, so write 2a outside, that is 1 by 2a d by dt of t into sin a t. Then use uv method. Then use uv method and simplify it. So that is a Laplace inverse of the given function. Okay, similar to this problem, solve this problem. Laplace inverse of s square by s minus 2 whole cube. Okay, s square, write it as s into s by s minus 2 whole cube, that is d by dt of s by s minus 2 whole cube. Then again write that s, so again you will get d by dt into d by dt. Okay, similar to that problem, solve this problem. So with this, multiplication by s is complete.